Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use Banking Overview in Zoho Books. This feature gives you a centralized view of all your linked bank and credit card accounts, making it easier to track balances, reconcile transactions, and stay on top of your financial activity. First, open a web browser and navigate to zoho.com/books. Once you're on the page, log into your Zoho Books account using your credentials. After signing in, you'll land on your main dashboard where you can access all your financial tools. Now look at the left sidebar and click on the Banking tab. This will take you directly to the Banking Overview page, which is essentially your financial command center. Here you'll see a summary of all your linked bank and credit card accounts displayed in one convenient location. Take a moment to review the information presented on this page. You'll notice key details such as the current balance of each account, the number of transactions that still need to be reconciled, and recent activity. This overview helps you quickly assess your financial status without jumping between multiple accounts or platforms. To dive deeper into any specific account, simply click on it. This will open a detailed transaction list that includes all your downloaded bank feeds. You'll be able to see every transaction that's been pulled in from your bank, giving you a complete picture of your account activity. Use the filter options to sort transactions by their status. You can view transactions labeled as uncategorized, matched, or reconciled. This filtering system makes it much easier to focus on transactions that need your attention, especially those that haven't been categorized yet. Click on individual transactions to take action. You can categorize them, match them with existing entries in your books, or add notes for future reference. This step is crucial for maintaining accurate financial records and ensuring everything is properly documented. If you need to link a new bank or credit card account, look for the Add Bank or Credit Card button at the top right of the page. Clicking this will guide you through the process of connecting additional accounts to Zoho Books, expanding your financial overview. Finally, use the Reconcile button to match your Zoho Books transactions with your actual bank statements. This reconciliation process ensures accuracy in your books and helps you catch any discrepancies early. Regular reconciliation is essential for maintaining clean, reliable financial records. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.